Future Anything Spark is a 2-day program where we work with your young people to build solutions to problems that they care about.
We are a video game-based business that helps socially isolated hospitalized children.
We're a performing arts program for children with disabilities.
We have created a set of headphones that are going to be able to connect and then be converted into speakers.
Over the course of the 2 days, our students tackle a mission that you've decided, and by the end of that 2 days, they're pitching solutions to that problem.
When I reflect on my own schooling journey, and now being an educator, of course, you do that all the time, I do know there was a few aspects missing, and one in particular was the idea of what does it take to come up with an idea, but then actually turn it into something real, into reality, an organisation, a company, something that can make an impact outside of the walls of the school.
In this fast-paced 2-day workshop, your young people will learn the tangible skills that they can use to solve problems they care about and pitch their ideas to persuade people that matter to invest in their idea.
It's been such a great ride. It's amazing, and I'm so grateful that we get this opportunity.